Well, a security survey of Rahul Gandhi's office cum residence. There are details now coming out of that. The Delhi police's visit to Rahul's office cum residence has gained some controversy now, with the Delhi police now saying that they did visit his office cum residence, but they are calling it a routine affair. All protected persons go through a security audit of this sort, is what they are trying to say. Let me now connect with Deputy Editors Atir Khan and Ashar Ahmad Khan. Atir, first of all, is this the way a security check of protectees is done?
Well, Maha, the Delhi police is not denying that their team had gone to his residence. However, they're saying that these days there are reports of thefts at the MP's residence, especially while they are away. So therefore, it was a part of a normal security audit. And senior police officers have also looked into it, and they have inquired from the SPG also whether the inquiry regarding Rahul Gandhi's hair or his description was made, but that has been denied. And Delhi police is saying that this is a routine exercise which was carried out in the interest of security of the area.
Ashar, let me come across to you now. What are leaders of the Congress party saying about the manner in which this so-called security survey was done?
Well, at the moment, when we first spoke to them, they had no idea about such a survey being done. But slowly news trickled in that such a survey was conducted, which left the Congress leaders baffled. Many Congress leaders are saying that the government should reply on this as to why such a thing was done. And in fact, the more anger is that why specific details like color of hair, photograph, etc. were asked, because this is something which is well known.
Ashar, just hold on for a bit. We have on the phone line Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress party. Ma'am, are you surprised at the way this so-called security survey was done of Rahul Gandhi's residence cum office?
No, I feel it's very mysterious and intrusive, and it's objectionable as well, because you see, Rahul Gandhi ji for over 2 decades is a central government protectee, the government protectee, and as a special protectee, all his details are already with the government. And I'm sure that when people are deployed in his protection, they are given all the details as well. So I do not understand of such a high-profile leader why this exercise had to be conducted. It cannot be a routine exercise. And as I hold, Rahul Gandhi ji is so well known to the nation, to the international committee as well, that asking such irrelevant questions about the color of his hair or eyes, or as I read in the papers, is totally unnecessary. And I feel the government should come out clean with a statement on this, because some of the channels are telling me that there were other reasons as well. So why there should be speculation? It's a high-profile case, and it is an intrusion in his house. It's very intrusive. So let's know the real fact.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi, many thanks for speaking with Headlines today. So that's the bit of breaking news that's coming in. The Delhi police at this point admitting that a team had gone to Rahul Gandhi's residence cum office, but denying that questions like the color of his eyes and hair were inquired upon by the people over there. We are slipping into a very quick break at this point. We'll be back with